Today, we're going to show you the top 5 ways to get rid of your hiccups. Be right back! How to get rid of hiccups number 1. Hold your breath. Well, I don't think that worked. So moving on. Hiccup cure number 2. With drinking a whole bottle of water as fast as you can. Now, we just wait until she can finish. I think you're done. How to cure hiccups number 3. Have someone scare you. My personal favorite, number 4. Hang upside down and hold your breath. Last, but definitely not least, throw yourself a dance party. If any of these worked for you, then put them in the comments below. And if you have any other suggestions that we missed, also put them in the comments below. I like chasing